Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Dell model and Windows Edition, so you request the correct recovery method. Note the service tag or Open Settings system. Next, make sure you have the admin username and a spare USB or another computer ready to view saved keys. If Windows asks for a BitLocker recovery key immediately, don't power cycle. Instead, copy the recovery ID shown. Once done, you're set to search online accounts and local backups for that exact recovery key. Now search for the recovery key across accounts and management portals. Sign into the Microsoft account that was used on the laptop and open devices to view stored BitLocker keys. If your laptop is corporate managed, check Azure AD or Intune and give IT the recovery ID shown on screen so they can retrieve the key. Also inspect any printed recovery paperwork, exported TXT/PDF key files on a USB, or a USB recovery drive you previously created. These steps cover the most common storage locations for the key. Finally, enter the exact 48-digit recovery key when you retrieve it, and make sure digits match the recovery ID on screen. Small transcription errors cause failures. If you cannot find the key, plan a full drive recovery. Backup data if accessible, then reinstall Windows or restore from backups. If problems persist, recheck the Dell service tag, try alternate Microsoft accounts, and use a USB recovery media to boot and confirm drive status. One tip: if BitLocker was company managed, always coordinate with IT before wiping the drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.